In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import SEO settings from Yoast to Rank Math. If you've been using Yoast for a while and are switching to Rank Math, you don't have to rebuild your SEO setup from scratch. Rank Math includes a built-in importer that brings over your most important Yoast settings, like titles, meta descriptions, and focus keywords. So, your existing optimizations carry over smoothly. Start in your WordPress dashboard and open the Rank Math SEO menu on the left. From there, go to Status and Tools. This area is where Rank Math keeps its utilities and maintenance features, separate from your everyday SEO settings, and it's exactly where the importer lives. Inside Status and Tools, click the Import and Export tab at the top. Think of this tab as the control center for moving settings in and out of Rank Math. It lets you bring data from other SEO plugins and also export Rank Math settings if you ever need a backup or want to replicate a configuration. Now scroll down until you see the section labeled Other Plugins. This section lists the SEO tools that Rank Math can pull data from. You should find a Yoast SEO option here. Open that Yoast SEO tab to access the importer tailored for Yoast data. Next, choose what you want to import. You'll typically see options for things like SEO titles, meta descriptions, and focus keywords. Titles and meta descriptions control how your pages appear in search results, so importing them preserves the work you've already done. Focus keywords come across as Rank Math focus keywords, helping you keep your on-page optimization guidance aligned. If your site relies on carefully crafted titles or custom snippets across posts and pages, importing these saves hours of manual copying. When you're ready, click Import and confirm the action. You'll see a brief progress indicator while Rank Math processes the data. Avoid closing the browser tab until it completes. On most sites, it only takes a moment. Once it's done, Rank Math will confirm the import, and your Yoast values will now populate the corresponding fields in Rank Math's interface. Your content doesn't change. The underlying SEO metadata simply moves into Rank Math's system so it can continue guiding search engines the way you intended. That's all there is to it. You've successfully migrated your Yoast SEO settings into Rank Math using the built-in importer, keeping consistency across your titles, descriptions, and focus keywords without extra work. If you found this helpful, you're now ready to continue optimizing with Rank Math's tools using the data you already trusted.